If you've worked with AI for ads, you already know the pain. Over-smooth skin, plastic lighting, faces that change between shots, videos that look impressive for half a second, then fall apart. You don't need to be an expert to spot it, and if you can spot it, viewers can. Algorithms definitely can. If your AI content looks fake, it's already failed. And then there's the part nobody likes to talk about. To get studio-grade results in e-commerce, UGC ads, or lifestyle fashion content, you're told you need everything. One tool for images, one for video, another for edits, another for experimentation, Nano Banana Pro. Kling or Vio, Runway, Sora, and a handful of just-in-case subscriptions. It doesn't feel expensive at first until you look up and you're burning $500 plus a month, still duct-taping workflows together, still guessing, still re-rendering. I used to spend more time managing tools than actually creating, until I found something that collapsed all of that into one place. This is ImagineArt, the most intuitive and user-friendly Gen AI creative suite. On the left sidebar, you've got everything. Image generation, video generation, workflows, pre-built apps, all in one place. Today, we're going to talk about workflows because this is where things get really interesting. If you don't want to start from scratch, ImagineArt already gives you pre-built workflows as production-ready starting points, which you can customize into your own system. UGC-style content, studio photography, product shots, social-ready visuals. I'm going to pick one from studio shoots. You can select any relevant pre-built workflow. What this does is automate a multi-step creative process that would normally require prompt engineering, model switching, manual tweaking, and a lot of trial and error. Now it's one click and the output. This is the future of UGC and studio photography. No shoots, no models, no reshoots. This alone replaces entire creative pipelines. Let's build our own workflow. I'm thinking of something like a product ad for a luxury fashion leather bag like Hermes, so here's how workflows actually work. On the left, I'm adding a prompt node. This is where I describe exactly what I want. Now I connect this prompt node to the text node. The text node helps expand, clean up, or modify the prompt. Once the text is ready, we link it to the image node, which is where the magic happens. The text flows into the image generator, and the AI interprets every detail I described. For this example, I'll start image generation with Nano Banana Pro. It's solid, fast, and great for clean product visuals. But when realism really matters, I personally lean toward ImagineArt 1.5. This is their flagship image model. It rivals Midjourney, Nano Banana Pro, and other top-tier models in realism, and consistently ranks top 3 for ultra-realistic output, especially for UGC ads, lifestyle fashion shots, and anything where faces, fabric, and lighting need to feel human. Let's duplicate the image node 2 more times so we can see which model generates the most accurate results. We are going to use Flux 2, ImagineArt 1.5. Okay, let's look at what each model produced. Flux 2. Clean composition, good product detail, but the leather texture looks a bit flat. The lighting is even but almost too perfect. It doesn't have that luxury magazine feel. Nano Banana Pro, much better texture on the leather. You can actually see the grain. The gold hardware has nice reflections, but look at this one. ImagineArt 1.5. Look at the leather grain, the way light catches the edges of the hardware, the natural skin tones on the model. This looks like it came from an actual Vogue photo shoot. For luxury products where every detail matters, this is the model I'd use every time. And if you need to make changes, you can resize, blur, remove backgrounds, extract frames, all inside the same workflow. But watch this. Let's say the client wants to see this same campaign but in burgundy color for their fall collection. In a traditional workflow, you'd have to go back to the beginning, regenerate everything. Hope the model looks the same. Hope the lighting matches. It's a nightmare for consistency. Here's how simple it is. Select your image model from the Edit Image node. Add a text prompt to guide the transformation. In my case, I'm telling it to change the bag color. Nothing else. Connect the nodes, hit run, and just like that, a fresh version is ready. You can see the clear comparison. This is exactly how brands scale seasonal content without losing their visual identity. Now, imagine doing this 100 times. Different colors, different seasons, different campaigns. Alright, now let's turn this into a commercial advertisement. I'm picking VO 3.1 as my video model. Here in the prompt node, I'm just describing my idea, and the LLM cleans it up into an actual usable prompt. Pretty nice. Then I'm using the prompt concatenator node to pull everything together. Product details, character stuff, what's happening in the scene, all in one place. Now instead of burning credits just to see if a video might work, I'm connecting to preview node, which shows me exactly what the first frame of the video is going to look like. And here, check out this result. How cool is that? Exactly the advertisement I had in mind. But wait, I also need this for Instagram and TikTok. No problem, I just changed the size and it's ready. No rewriting prompts. So tell me in the comments, what's your biggest headache when creating content? I'll show you how this solves it. But I'm not stopping there. Now I want to create a commercial ad for this product too. And guess what? I don't have to repeat everything. I just connect the nodes, add this image, and now I've got 2 campaigns running at the same time. Now imagine running this for every product in your catalog. You're not hiring videographers, you're not booking studios, you're not doing reshoots when the client changes their mind about the color. You generate, you adjust, you export. That's the workflow. And here's the part most people miss. Once you build a workflow like this, you reuse it. New product, new colorway, new campaign, same system. This is how creators and brands scale content without scaling chaos. Now zoom out. Imagine doing this with for a single subscription without sending files back and forth. With ImagineArt, up to 40 people can work inside the same system. Shared workflows, shared assets, controlled credits, a literal game changer for creative teams and agencies. Right now, holiday sales are live on their ImagineArt. If you click on the link in the description, you can get up to 68% discounts. So, if you could build your own workflow today, one that makes full videos, ads, or visuals in just a few minutes, what would you create first? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.